$100 for popcorn? That's and crisps. That's outrageous.
I think crisps. Crisps is the right one.
Yeah,
let's do it, dude. We got some crisps. Well, they got to get the question right. Good afternoon, sir. We have $100 for you. We would like to buy some crisps, please.
Crisps.
Who wants it? David.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Hello.
Your campmates Kian and Matthew won this afternoon's Dingo Dollar Challenge.
Right.
But in order for them to bring back the prize, you must answer the following question correctly. According to a recent survey, the average man tells how many lies in a year? Is it A, 1,092, or B, 846?
I think men tell a lot of lies, so I would go high.
I'd go high as well.
Yeah. Not us, obviously, other men.
No, I'm not a liar at all.
Men lying.
I'd go higher.
I'd go higher.
I'd go higher.
Higher?
Personally. If it was 1,200, that'd be...
Basically 4 lies a day.
You look great in that. You know, that's the lie that most men have to say. My wife always looks great in everything she wears. Everything she wears is awesome.
2 lies a day or 4 lies a day?
I think the higher.
4 lies a day.
What lie about what? I don't think it's the
Anything.
Doesn't matter. Anything. Like, oh yeah, mate, you should have seen who I pulled last night. Oh, she was amazing. And then you just pulled a minger.
Right, I'm going to show of hands. Who thinks the highest?
I'd like to believe that it's lower, men.
Yeah.
But
it's higher. So he's saying
The 1,000.
the 1,000 figure.
What do you think, David?
Oh.
What did you think, David?
Yeah, yeah.
Higher.
Men lie a lot.
Oh, look at them! I mean, it's not exactly the world's biggest portion, my friend, but I'm going to go for $100.
It is what it is, my man.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.